Some days, the body whispers before it shouts. A little ache in your back, a tight pull through your neck, soft reminders that you've been carrying too much or sitting too long or simply forgetting to pause. This flow is for that. A gentle return to comfort, a way to breathe space back into the places that hold your tension. Let's begin seated. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let your shoulders fall heavy. Now, gently roll your head in slow, soft circles, feeling every corner of your neck loosen with each breath. Switch directions, still slow, still easy. This is your reminder. There's no rush here. Now, drop your chin toward your chest. Inhale. Lift your gaze slightly up toward the ceiling, stretching the front of your neck. Exhale, return to center. Repeat a few times, letting the breath guide the motion, as if you are moving through honey. While this practice is ongoing, give this video a thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button if you haven't, and join the amazing family. Drop what you feel in the comment section. Now let's get back into the video. From here, interlace your fingers behind your head. Let your elbows fall forward slightly, and with a gentle pull, stretch the muscles at the base of your skull. Breathe deeply. Feel the space widen behind your neck and shoulders. Now, release and come to cat-cow pose on all fours. Inhale, arch your back, Lift your chest. Let your tailbone rise. Exhale. Round your spine. Tuck your chin. Press the floor away. Repeat slowly, allowing each wave to untangle your spine from the inside out. From here, move into thread the needle pose. Slide your right arm under your left. Rest your cheek on the mat and let your upper back melt into the stretch. Breathe into that soft twist. It's where the tension hides. Switch sides when you are ready. Next, come to child's pose. Knees wide, arms stretched forward. Let your forehead rest down. Feel your breath spread across your back like warm sunlight. Each inhale expanding, each exhale softening what once felt tight. Now, slowly rise up into seated side stretch. Right hand down, left arm reaches overhead. Breathe into the space between your ribs. Then switch sides, letting both shoulders feel the release. To finish, lie down for supine spinal twist. Draw your right knee over your body to the left. Gaze gently over your right shoulder. Let gravity do the work. Then switch sides. Feel the lower back unwind with every slow breath. When you return to center, hug both knees to your chest. Rock side to side and whisper a silent thank you to your body, because pain is not just discomfort, it's communication. And every time you listen, you heal a little deeper. If this practice touched you, if it supports you in any kind of way, give this video a thumbs up. Comment what you feel or how your body feels after this flow. Don't forget to stay hydrated and stretch daily. Until next time, have a wonderful day.